All right, so we got these guys, a little curveball. Got it this morning. I guess we were supposed to be on these already, but so I got these sent out. You guys could probably see it from the PDF, what I got going on, but I just wanted to kind of point out how I was approaching it, what was on my mind, grapes. So these guys here are just these little blade signs, but they have this kind of internal notch thing, kind of small bottom thing. So it's kind of cool. Haven't really done anything like that yet. So, you stick around long enough, you end up doing it all. So with that being said, let's get after it real quick. Everything fits on one sheet here, or on one, paper, everything you need. So there's 5 signs. So you have 10 jiggies, 10 skins. You have all the frame pieces, and we have one install pattern. Go ahead and get that to install. And then the main thing though is to look out for these little guys. You got these little end caps, got to seal those up, make them look pretty. So be on the lookout for tiny little rectangles. But otherwise that's it. And then you have the mounting plates for the feet, for the legs. So the whole idea is the top part is going to be an inside jig with the outside frame pieces. But of course we have the notch. So you're going to create that with these 2 little pieces here. And then you're going to come along, and then on the inside of the jig, you're going to do triple duty on the cleco, and you're going to hold the inner part, this orange part, for the bottom, and then tack it all in. So this whole part here will be tacked together, and then and that gives you something to burn the little feetsies to. You got the feets here, 8.8125. Got to do a little math on that one. And then the bottom though, because you'll have that notch. So the whole idea is that this is going to be one big Lord's party. You're going to take the inner part here, and it is symmetrical. It goes either way. You're going to slide it in cleco. But what you're going to do is just go ahead and put some Lords, blob some Lords in there. And then this slides in and Lords that in. I'm trying to reduce any heat in this because it's only a 1/2 inch thick, and it's kind of, it's got to kind of look pretty and fit up in this notch and all that. You can see where the notch is. And then these guys here, I'm thinking if you just get this bent and then just put a piece of masking tape along the back side here, and then take that and stick it to the masking tape. And then when you do Lord's Party, get that all set up, and you can just Lords these in. And then that way there's no heat, because trying to hit this 1/2 inch target, with our guns is like, surgery with a chainsaw sometimes. So anyway, so you're going to get like that. You're going to get this little guy inside there. And then these guys will give you these are rivet, but I don't think you're going to be able to get a gun inside here. So you can just go ahead and just cleco, but you'll cleco this whole assembly to the bottom, but just Lords it really good. And then that'll hang on there, and that gives us our bottom piece. And then that should notch in there just right. Test fitted, of course. And then you can see I gave you a 0.01. So that way it should suck up good against, this should bottom out first. I have a 0.01 here for Lord Squish. So it should really go up there nice. And like I said, you got your rivets here, but those will be good clecos either way. And then get that in there real good, let it cure up. So real simple. And then you can seal it up. You just got the skins on both sides. So pretty simple. You probably could have figured that out, but just wanted to give you a little kind of where I'm coming from. So other than that, you know where I'm at. If you have any questions, hit me up.